People have believed for many centuries that we have thousands of different ways of managing. We don't. We have one. In 1983, scientists discovered that no matter what type of management we look at, when broken down to the core or the actual point of our decisions themselves, every human being is making every conscious decision using an identical, genetically inherited process which is found in all tool-using animals. But unlike other tool-using animals, we learned to control fire, which led to more and more sophisticated tools and technologies, which resulted in us ending up not just managing and making social decisions for ourselves. We began to manage nature and economies too. We have never altered our decision-making process to account for the added complexity each decision began to involve. This is the root cause of most of humanity's problems. Our inherited management process is causing rapid ecological collapse and land degradation, resulting in mounting social, economic, and political instability. This is the current management perspective. We are inadvertently separating the inseparable when making decisions and developing policies. Reducing these into separate parts is reductionist decision-making. Our societies, economies, and our environment don't overlap somewhere in the middle. The physical and economic stability of all civilization is entirely dependent on and inseparable from nature. Everything we use or consume comes from nature. And every time we make a decision from the perspective of or to solve a problem concerning one aspect, we set off an invisible knock-on ripple effect, which will affect the others at some point. When making decisions or developing policy, we have to simultaneously manage and consider the social, financial, and ecological dimensions as one inseparable whole. That is made possible when we apply the guiding, filtering process of the holistic management framework. We have to adapt to a new decision-making process so that we are making decisions and developing policies from this perspective, because only this is reality. Our societies and nature exist as one intricately connected, inseparable, complex whole.